Sometimes a vehicle wants to give you the most amount of trouble while towing. The car could be locked up, or maybe an axle is bent beyond budging. That's where tire skates come in to save the day. What makes these skates different from their regular counterparts is its ability to lock onto one another, as well as tread to make grip on the tire easier. Though, depending on the situation, you might need some extra help to get things moving.
Sometimes the concrete can give a strong resistance. You may need something to aid you or help you because the transmission is locked, rear end is locked, and you don't want to drag the vehicle all the way up across the concrete, causing a flat spot in the tire. You don't want to do that. So what you do, look at your elements. Good old Mother Earth. Make your little path. Skate already underneath it, pretty firm. And I'll tell you one thing, these skates by Mytee Products that you can combine for a wide tire are awesome. What happens is your skates tend to smack right at the edge of the bed, getting stuck. So you have to jack it up, reset the skate, all that type of stuff. What I've learned throughout the years, what you can do is a couple simple tricks. You can take like a shim, wood shim, you can take some rocks, or whatever your preference is. But what you want to do is create that ramp. Create that small ramp so the skates can ride up. I'm gonna try this shim, we may get lucky, but something to that effect. Just give it a go.
Be sure to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, you can find these skates today at myteeproducts.com.